Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna be reviewing this Craftsman Racheting combination wrench set, 20 piece. It's standard and metric. That's actually the other way. This is standard and this is metric. Let's see what's inside. This is the back of the box. I forgot to show you guys. That's the back. It's hard to. It's big, so I can't fit it in my desk here. It comes with a nice tray for the toolbox. Alright, here's the metric. This is the 15mm. It's the little longer version of it. Craftsman, obviously, 15mm. As you guys can see, it doesn't say where it was made. It has a part number in there, but it doesn't say where it was made. I was just looking at the box, and it's made in China, actually. But it's Craftsman. It's very smooth. It's a very smooth. And here's the other end. So I'm just trying to get it in the camera there, but yeah. Yeah, I'll try a smaller one for you guys. Here's a smaller one. Here's an 8mm. I like the sound of that. Sounds very solid. But yeah, this is it comes with the 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. And on the standard size, it comes with the 1/4, the 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. That's the biggest one. It's real nice. Craftsman 3/4. Real nice finish, smooth finish, chrome, obviously. Excellent ratcheting. Craftsman. Good quality tool. There's a part number right there, 42567. Yeah. I gotta say this plastic here, it feels a little cheap. It's probably gonna, if you guys put this in your toolbox or your tool drawer and use it every day, eventually it's gonna wear out. It's gonna break. What I recommend is you guys put foam on the back, sprayable foam on the back of this. There's another YouTuber that does that, and he conserves the plastic in its shape a lot longer, for years. But yeah, just all you do is just flip this around, spray it with foam. Don't overspray it though, because it's gonna expand, and this is gonna look like a bubble, a big inflated bubble. Just put a little bit of expandable foam and just let it dry, and any excess material other than the flat edges, just cut it off, and you'll have a much sturdier place to put your wrenches and tools. That's if you buy a case like this that has the all sizes and everything, the original case. Alright, well, this was my quick review on this this wrench set, this ratcheting wrench set from Craftsman. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the little bell icon. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.